Hello students, today in this class we are going to cover page number 43, that is 1. Okay, that is the summary of the lessons. All lessons you have learned already. This is the summary of the lessons. Okay, you will get everything in these lessons. Okay, exercise by exercise it has been given, so we will solve the exercise and we will do the exercise. Let us see first exercise, that is exercise number 8. Okay, you take out in your book 43 page. Rewrite this sentence using the correct punctuation marks. Okay, we have already completed the punctuation chapter, that is the capital letter, full stop, exclamation mark, question mark. Okay, so these are all in the punctuation chapter. So what you have to do in this exercise, you have to use proper punctuations. Means you have to use capital letters, you have to use full stop, you have to use exclamation mark, question mark. Okay, let us see. Number 1, my father is a farmer. Okay, we can understand that this is the assertive sentence. So assertive sentence always ends with a full stop. Okay, assertive sentence always ends with a full stop. So just give capital letter to the first letter, that is my, M will be capital, and give at last a full stop. The sentence will be completed. Okay, just only make it capital, M will be capital, and after the sentence give a full stop, because it is an assertive sentence. Now see, 2 number exercise. We go to school every day. It is also an assertive sentence. Okay, so just make the word letter W, first letter W capital, and at last give full stop. I hope you can do the exercises. There are 5 exercises here. Okay, a number, all total 5 exercises. So you will do the exercises in your copy. Now we are going to exercise number B. Write the plural forms of these words. Okay, we have already learned about the singular and plural. Okay, that is the number chapter, noun in number. In this chapter we have seen that what will be plural form of this kind of nouns. Okay, now one or two exercise I am explaining, such as here you will find man. Okay, mostly we have done by adding s or yes. Some are there with where spelling are being changed. Okay, so man, it will be men, men. If lady is there, then ladies, ladies. Okay, there are certain rules are there which we have already learned in the noun and number chapter. Okay, but here we are just recalling and we are doing some exercise. How much efficient, how much you have learned, we will see just that only in this chapter. Okay, there is IES. Somewhere you have to use IES, somewhere you have to use ES. Okay, somewhere you have to use only S, somewhere you have to change the spelling. So these are the certain rules by which you can make it plural. Now we are moving to exercise number C. Okay, that is the gender. Okay, just before some days we have learned this chapter, that is the gender chapter. Okay, singular and male and female noun, under the subheading male and female noun, we have learned this chapter. I hope you have nicely covered this chapter and you have understood it nicely. So again exercise has been given here that you have to male means either you have to write female noun, or you have means if male noun is given then you will write female noun. If female noun is given then you have to write the male noun. Okay, first one, see, that is the son. Son's female noun we know, daughter. No. So grandmother is given in the female noun, so in the male noun grandmother. You can easily do it all. Okay, because this all chapter has been nicely taught. So you can understand it and you can easily do. You just do it in your exercise. Okay, and we are moving to next exercise. That is the exercise number D. Choose the correct pronoun to complete these sentences. Okay, correct pronoun. Here 2 pronouns are given. You have to choose the correct pronouns. In the pronouns chapter we have seen about what are the pronouns such as he, she, it, etc. Okay, I have also made a definition that a pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun to avoid the repetition. Okay, some examples are also there such as he, she, it, they. These are all the examples of the pronoun. Here you have to show your faculty in the pronoun, how you have learned. Okay, first one I am showing. Pranav is not going with them to the park. 2 options are there, they and them, but you have to choose the option them, because if it is acting an object then you have to choose them, him, her, like this means pronoun. But if it acts as a subject, okay, if it acts as a subject then you have to choose the pronoun, that is they. So you have to understand that means if you find it at the first of the sentence, then they, he, I, like that you have to use. But if you find it at the last of the sentence, mostly last of the sentence means it will be used as an object, then on that time you have to use them, him, like this means pronouns. Okay. Who went to the theater with him? You can see here it is in the last, means it is acting as an object. So him it will be. Okay. So in this way you will complete the exercise number D. Okay. Now here is the poem, and read the following poem and underline the adjectives. Okay, I have also taught about the adjective. You know the definition of the adjective. Once again I am saying, an adjective is a word which is used, okay, to modify a noun or pronoun, to describe a noun or pronoun. Okay, suppose if you have a pen, the pen is the noun. When you will describe the pen, it is a black pen. You are describing. So the black is the adjective. I hope you understood, and you will just mark it. Okay, I am reading just one and two line. Okay, you will, so that you can make it understand. There lived a little turtle. Here, which one is the noun? At first, to understand the adjective, you have to at first understand the noun. Okay, there lived a little turtle. Turtle is the noun. Before turtle, little. How is the turtle? The turtle is the little. Means if you ask a question to the noun, you will get an adjective with how. Okay, if you ask a question with how to the noun, then you will get an adjective. Okay, a little turtle. How is the turtle? The turtle is little. Okay. So this is exercise number E, and next we will find that F number exercise. Rewrite the sentences using S correctly wherever required. Sorry, apostrophe S. This is the possessive pronoun or possessive noun. Okay, possessive means apostrophe S. Belong to. We have just completed this chapter also. Okay, where it is the cars, windows are shut. You have to means rightly you have to place it. The car's window. Okay, you can give here windows are there, means the cars are also means you have to give car after apostrophe S. Okay, don't give apostrophe after windows, means windows S will not take the apostrophe. Only the cars S will take the apostrophe. So CAR, car, then apostrophe, then S. Got it? Next, number 2, the elephant's ears. So elephant, then apostrophe, then S, ears are very long. Okay, don't give apostrophe to the ears. Okay, no need to give ears because it is a plural form. But apostrophe will be added to the elephant. Hope you understood it. And last of all, you will find a match is there. Match the columns. Words are given, opposite words are given. Okay, so you have to do what? Means what will be the opposites of this? Hot, we know, you know, cold. Okay, clean, dirty. Wet, that is dry, soft, hard, and last of all kind, that is cruel. In this way you will solve the exercise. This is the recalling of the exercise and summary of the exercises which you have taught previously, and I hope you have understood it well. Okay, if you find any kind of difficulties, you can surely contact me. Thank you. Do the exercises.